Right, let me take you around a popular Discourse forum that I show. I'll take you through a walkthrough and show you some features, give you everything that's happening, and then I will delve further into each item as we go. Right. So first things, the forum at the top, main header. You've got an admin bar with all your settings and things like that. I'm an admin, so I'm going to have a few more settings at the top. I'll run through some admin settings later on. But it's everything you can expect, latest, unread. You can change it so that the home page is showing categories, or categories and new topics, or just the latest topics. Totally up to you how you set it up. The calendar and the agenda is actually a plugin that's being used for anybody who wants to find a game on this site. Upcoming. What you've basically got with Discourse, if you don't know, is you've got a topic. So somebody will create a new topic. All you've got to do is add a new topic. Then you've got the categories. So you can add a category. So this one's like say hello. And finally you've got tags. So then you can actually have tags within categories. You can only have one subcategory per category. You can't have multiple subcategories. So for instance, if we went to the shop, got Golfmate shop, there are actually two subcategories, sweaters and polo shirts. You can't have a subcategory of a subcategory, but you can have tags that you can filter to. So it's really easy to set up. So think main category and a subcategory. Everything's got a topic in there. And if you want to use tags, you see here, say hello, looking to buy, Golfmates YouTube, golf. These are tags, right? Here's the category, here's the tags. So it's really easy for somebody to just sign up, join in, and write a topic. Here to say hello. Put it in the hello category. You might have some different, what if you've got a tag for that, you could say hello. I have made it so that you can only tag one tag. So there's all sorts of different things. Here to say hello. How is everyone? Right. So obviously I'm already logged in, I'm already signed up, but that's how easy it is to create a topic. I'm just going to quickly delete it because I don't want people to dive in. I can quickly jump into any topic, up to any topic here. And my daughter loves it. I usually watch Liam. So I can highlight this. I usually watch Liam and the Gang on my phone. I can quote that. Yeah, so do I. I can, at that person, it will pick every person in that thread and click Nick. Oh, what happened there? Quote. Yes, so do I, Nick. Oh no, where did I start writing? Did I start writing in the wrong place? Oh, I didn't look what I did then. Let's just get rid of it. Let's go here. Quote. Yeah, so do I at Nick, right? NIC. Nick. Started to watch on PS4 now, right? So I can quote what they've said. I can tag them. And I can reply. Really easy. Done. Nick will get a notification if he replies to me, like all these ones up here. So if someone's replied to me, I'll get a reply. If somebody's liked something I've put, I'll get a little heart saying someone's liked it. Here's the people that have liked it. And it's just a really easy forum to get around and to use. Everybody on the Golfmates here, not one person's asked for tech support, not one person's emailed me. That's not true. A few people have emailed me because they signed up with the wrong email. They misspelt their email and said, "Oh, I've not got the activation email letter." But I think as of today, there's 1,425 users in this forum, and next to nobody has asked for tech help on how to navigate and how to use the forum. What else you'll see is this up here, Adverts. So this is a plugin that you can add. It's one of the basic plugins on Discourse hosting, and it's just an easy way to revenue your forum to get some money. So if you're, well, Liam's a YouTuber, so you can actually add the AdSense revenue and put some adverts up on each page. Really easy to do. Every time you come, you'll see anything that you're following that will be new. You can jump in, jump about. You can embed YouTube videos. All you've got to do to embed a YouTube video is share the video, right? It's really easy to do. So if I have anything in mind, so here's, I've just shared that one, so I won't share that. So if I wanted to just share this golf video on that forum, all I've got to do is click new topic, paste the URL, and it will go and find it. So that's got a bit of a long title, so I'm just going to get rid of that, but it has put the video straight in there. I'll leave it uncategorized, so I'm going to delete it, and that's all you've got to do. So you go to YouTube, you grab the URL, and you just post it in the title, and it quickly creates a you can play the video in there, right? Oh, go on.
What?
So easy to use. And obviously as admin, I can delete, I can edit, I can do anything I want. Back-end wise, if you go into the admin, I don't want to go too much, you can see the dashboard of the views and how many people have been in. Logged in users, anonymous users, so it was a busy day in here. Crawlers are the robots that are picking out things for the search engines to see what's happening. See what new content's there, new sign-up information. All sorts of the data that you would expect. Settings, obviously you can go through your settings and run through, change things that you didn't change at the wizard. So if you type in wizard at the top, you can actually go through the wizard of setting up your forum, description, public or private, your company name and things like that, right? So it's really easy to set up. It's one of the easiest things to do. On digitalhosting.com, it's easy. On DigitalOcean, it can be a little bit funkier, but I can change these things later. There's things like this, login required. If you want to make it private, so at the minute, the forum, at the minute, anybody can see, but if you want to turn it to private, you can. Invite only. If you want to approve users, you have all of the settings at your fingertips. Lots and lots of settings, lots of things you can do. I'm not going to click on users because it'll show people's emails. Email settings, you can check and test your emails. You can change the templates for the wording. You can add customization. So what you'll see in this is we've got a little menu at the top for quick links. That's a little bit of customization we've added. And you can add plugins, tracking codes, all those sort of things that you want to do. So really easy to use, really easy to navigate, to click on people, to message. So I can quickly send a message to golf mates. Hello, I'm lost. Where is the new videos? Something like that, right? So I can quickly send a message to golf mates, which is the admin. I'm logged into it here. So if I go and refresh, little green button, the little green means it's a message. You get a little blue one on the other side, I think. And I get, here is the message. I can quickly reply. Go to the home page, whatever, right? I can quickly reply in there. I can flag the post. So if I see something, I want to be careful with this because I don't want to mess something up too much. But if I go to that thing there and somebody comes and doesn't like what they've put, right? So if I go here as the other admin and say that I'd put that reply that I put was funky, I could go here and flag it and say, send Paul a message. I want to talk to Paul directly because because of admin, there's a couple of extra settings. I can, it's off topic, it's inappropriate, it's spam, or it's something else. If I tick something else, I can write in a book, right? I'm going to click it's inappropriate. I'm going to flag the post, right? And it'll all of a sudden grey out and put a flag that I have then, as the admin, see up here now, admin, I've got to review that post. Keep post hidden, disagree and restore, ignore or delete, right? And I can send Paul a message. Hey dude, what's happening? You know, you've broken the rules. And all that stuff. So on this forum, absolutely nothing's been reported. There's been such a good community. I'm not sure if I can just keep posted in. I'm not sure if that came to me as well. Yeah, it did. I can review my own post. Keep posted and disagree and restore post. Right. No harm, no foul. Okay. System post hidden by community flag. So I get a message and there's another message by the system. You've been restored. It's all good, Papa. So it's a really easy way to have your community self-police, to be able to flag things, and for you to be able to manage things that have happened as well.